Good morning. I'm about to show you how to clean a grease trap. I clean mine every 7 to 10 days, but depending on what type of restaurant or drink shop you run, I have a boba tea shop, so it's probably going to be different if you're serving food. You might have to clean it more often. But a good indication that you need to clean it is the smell. Also, that floor drain, you're going to want to pour some Drano or some drain cleaner down there about every 10 days or possibly more than that. Let it sit for 15 minutes. After that, pour about 2 to 3 gallons of hot water down to flush that drain out. Now we're going to use a flathead screwdriver and take these adjustment clamps off. Tilt that over and pour about half the water out of there. We're going to pour the other half of the water into the trash can and then get rid of it and throw it into the dumpster. So you might need a wrench or pliers to take this off. Mine, I just hand tighten, so I'm able to take it off with my hands. So now we're going to pour a few capfuls of bleach in some warm water and soak all of our items. Now any items that have too much buildup on them, put them in the other sink and spray them off with your sprayer. After that, put them in the water with everything else. Let everything else soak for a while. After we do that, then we're going to spray everything off again. Okay, so now we're going to pick the whole grease trap up and dump it into a trash can. Okay, so now I'm going to put a fresh pair of gloves on. The gloves are optional, but I definitely recommend them. So put it down in the sink, lean it to one side, spray that off, use your scraper, get anywhere you can with the sprayer, spray it off more. Now go ahead and dump that in the trash can. So after we dump that, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put it on the other side now, lean it up. We're going to spray that side. Take your scraper, get anywhere you can with the sprayer, spray it out more, then you're going to dump that again. Alright, so now I'm going to take a little bleach and pour it in this small hole on the grease trap. After that, I'm going to let it soak for a little bit, and in the meantime, I'm going to take my sprayer and my scraper and I'm going to clean some of these items in the sink off. So go ahead and spray those top lips off real good and also pour a little bleach around it, let it soak. I'm going to take this water and dump it into the trash can. After that, I'm going to keep spraying this down, put a little more bleach on there, clean it real good, spray it down real good. After that, we're going to put it back together here in a second. So take some cleaner, some sanitizer, clean that area up real good before you put that grease trap back. Okay, now I'm going to take a little bleach and pour this around the edge of the floor drain and scrub it with this bristle brush. Alright, so now that we have everything cleaned up, we're going to go ahead and reattach this. Put the inlet that way, and then the curved pipe going into the floor will be your outlet. Make sure it's going in the right direction. Okay, so when you retighten these clamps, make sure that these are tight so these joints don't leak. Alright, so whenever you retighten this bolt, it doesn't have to be extra tight, just hand tighten it. Alright, so that's it with the grease trap. So now we're going to sanitize this whole area really good. Alright, so that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.